No, I hear what you're saying. I've never heard of a situation where a member of the public's been stopped in by somebody who's provided their dash cam footage, but I guess that will happen now. There are more dash cams on the road. But look, in your situation, if you've got a good record, and also depending on how long the light has been on red, you know, if you're detected by a road safety camera...
Mother of God.
High-speed pursuit of a white Miata heading southbound on Route 294. Request backup.
Well, you've got 5K to get to exercise, so what you're saying is that they can't even do that? I don't know.
Fucking hell, what are you doing?
The instruction was certainly, if you are hungry, use Uber Eats. Okay. That is the instruction by one AFL captain.
Why is everyone so fucking stupid? Stop!
I just ran a red.
Yeah. Go get some points.
From where?
From the pharmacist down the street.
What the fuck?
That was illegal.
Should I'm a wanker, and I'm always pulling my foot.
I'm a wanker, 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 I'm a wanker. You're a yarn, or you're a wanker, take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite genius, James Hurd or James Joyce?
I was driving down I-95 the other night. Somebody nearly cut me right off the road. I decided it wasn't gonna do any good to get mad, so I wrote a song about him instead. It goes like this. Were ye born an asshole, or did you work at it your whole life? Either way it worked out fine, 'cause you're an asshole tonight. Yes, you're an A-S-S-H-O-L-E, and don't you try to blame it on me. You deserve all the credit. You're an asshole tonight. You were an asshole yesterday. You're an asshole tonight. And I've got a feeling you'll be an asshole the rest of your life. And I was talking to your mother just the other.
Did you even fucking look? Zero emission light, 0 Ks. Oh, you fudging idiot! Boy, well get over now.
Once in a while, but boy, oh boy, Peter, it's time for the shitbag titty fuck of the week. Or maybe of the year. It's this guy.
Fucking goose.
Fucking idiot. Fuck me. Fucking idiot. Fuck me. One for Scotty.
This is a no entry. This guy, see? No entry. Dickhead. Dickhead. This guy doesn't have headlights on. What a dickhead. Dickhead.
You dickhead.
Just on a power of attorney Yeah, someone's just cut in front of me.
I'm sort of hoping just maybe he might look at.
Fuck me, you wanker. What a fucktard.
It's made it easier. Because I pay myself a salary from my business, I can now show that as proof of income when I apply. Too easy. Finding a house that fits all my work tools though,
left indicator, but we'll change into the right lane. Good. What the fuck are you doing, idiot? Fucking hell, mate. Jesus fucking Christ.
You knew you wanted to turn.
And he wants to go into the fucking right lane, you fucking wanker. You fucking retard. Where's your fucking lights? Fucking idiot. What the fuck are you doing?
You went from this lane straight forward. Oh my god. What the fuck?
You're not going around the guy. Wow.
Turn the heat up a little bit because by the time you get down,
What a fucking piece of shit. Why
Why
do people obey the fucking traffic lights?
First is tilt the shower head towards the wall, bring all of the wall, get it nice little.
What a fucking shit.
Every secret I listen, we're all scared to fight.